Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video and today's video is regarding the year end and I came up with two things. Last year I was thinking of making a planner for myself because I have bought from last 3 years I'm buying some planners from some of the people. Like last year I used Saloni Shrivastava's planner. So this year I thought, as I have already bought the iPad, let's go paper free. So this time I made my own planner, that is by using this iPad. So as you all know that I bought this iPad in the month of February this year, yes. So this is the iPad which I have unboxed in my videos also. So there is my name and the word which I follow as per the Ivan Carmichael lecture, that he says that you need to have a one word which describe you. So for me the one word is self-made. So this year was a very great year for me. Yes, I am shifted from one institution to another institution, and I would not be able to tell you where I'm working. So let's keep it secret, or not secret exactly, I don't want to speak up over here. So I shifted to some other place from Rishikesh, as you can see some of vlogs of mine in my nursing notes. So this channel will be named as a nursing note, so I'll be consistent. This is my hashtag 2022 resolution, that I will be consistent with my videos, and definitely this full channel will be on nursing. Actually, the making of this channel was not the nursing part. It's like how my life journeys goes, what all things I do, which is not a normal thing which I'm going to put. So the two motives of today's video is, one is telling you how the 2021 went for me. In the beginning of year it was quite okay, fine. So the progress in the academic is okay, personally also it's fine. So it was okay, but coming to the end of the year, as I shifted to another job, I'm so happy right now. So I'm working on myself and grow myself more in academically. So I made two things. One is the planner, that will be for me only. I'm using it because I don't have that type of audience who will be buying it. So I'll be providing you as a free of cost. So I'll be putting in the description box the link of getting that planner, and this will be of 3 months. I'm putting it. If you have an iPad, please make a copy of that and use it further. So it's just a trial which I'm doing it. Hope so in coming years I would be able to make some hard copies of that, or either selling it. Okay, the selling is not in my mind right now. So I was talking about the iPad. So if you see my iPad, so this is the iPad which I'm using it. So second thing which I made is a table calendar. So printing will take time, and the people who are very close to me and to whom I would be able to sending it the table calendar, I would be love to do that. I'll be putting the not exactly the soft copy, the same calendar I'm putting in my planner. So you can see that same table calendar in my planner too. And if I got a chance to vlog how the planner was printed and how many copies I have taken a print and how it looks like, so we'll see that also to put in next vlog. So I'll take directly to you my iPad, and let's see how my planners look like. So this is the interface of my iPad, which looks like this, and as I have updates, so directly we will go towards the app that is a GoodNotes, which is a paid app of around 800 rupees. So let me take you into my passion folder, and here what you have to do is you have to download the link and get that PDF. Okay, and then you import. Okay, go to import, and import you can identify it with the name of Heme Planner 2022. You can save it and use it. I think this same PDF you can use in your Samsung iPads also, or another Android iPad. So let me take you to the first look. So if this is the very minimal planner which I made this time, so I told you the word which I'm using is the self-made 2022, and this is the person who is using mask, but education should not be compromised if any. So this is the second page, if you can see over here. So this time I have this is the first time which I'm making it. So I made the theme that is based on green. So I love greenery around me, so I made this planner with a theme of green forest theme. So this is the second page which you can say. So this is a vision board. So in this vision board you can put all the dreams which you are keeping it, or all the pictures which you are taking as a vision, so which will inspire you. So if you move toward this page, so if you can see that there are yearly goals. So in a year, what all goals will be there, you can mention it: the finance goal, the self-care goal, the professional growth goal, and your personal goals. So this is the 4 parameters parameter which I have divided, and you can see your goals like this. So this is the another very part pictures which I have used for the resolution of this year, and this is actually customized for me. So I'm using this bag. This will be my personal looking resolutions, like what to do, what not to do. This bread will be showing that what food habits I will be taking it this year as a resolution, how I'm going to save on my expenses or either savings. So this is the new resolution, and this is the candle which will be representing that how the spiritual growth is very important. So this year, as I love to do meditation but I'm not able to do so, this candle will be presenting my spiritual growth. So related to that spirituality, I will be putting some resolution. So these are the 4 categories for my resolution. The next will be the 4th page. If you see, it is a my gratitude story of 2021. Without showing a gratitude to your 2021, I don't think so that you can begin with your 2022. So I think this page, full page, you can use it for writing your gratitude story. And next is the travel bucket list. Yes, my travel bucket looks empty right now because definitely I have to fill it. So there will be definitely a train travel will be there, a flight travel will be there, even a bus travel can also work. I love mountains. Definitely I am going to Rishikesh at least once in a year. That is the resolution I think I should make. I love Rishikesh and the Rishikesh vibes too. Last year I would able to finish 5 books I think. Yes, 5 books I have read regarding the spirituality, regarding the self power and consciousness. So this year also I'm putting some of the reading list, not more than 4 or 5 in a month. Is the big idea of mine. What I'm keeping is this year should be having a something enigmatic to me, so that I can create something patent for myself. So this is a bulb which will be giving a radiation to my mind, and thought will come out, and this is the box where I will be writing what's coming in my mind. So this is the big idea of mine which I'm keeping it. So next will be definitely, if we hold the money, we cannot save it, we have to put it in investment. So I'll be calculating the big expenditures of a year, and then the investment of 2022, which is very important for each and everyone who all are listening my videos or seen my videos. Please go and have investment plans. If thing is the links which I made for each year. Next is the monthly goal. So this is the page looks like for January. So I'll be showing the planner for January. This is the front pages which you have seen. So here it ends, the front pages. So total 9 pages are there which will be setting your goal. So next is the monthly goals. So here you can write the monthly goal. The art of this planner is that it took lots of time to make it this part, and each and every doodle which I have used is taken by so much of patience with ideas. So this is the sofa, you can say, so which is giving a goal, and this is a kind of a bell which will be giving a target to you. Okay, you have to finish your goal. So this is how the January looks like. So this is the planner which I was talking about. The front page is like planned perfectly. I am in love with Rishikesh, so definitely the beauty should come from Rishikesh. So this is my name designed by me. And if you talk about this one, calendar, so here you can see what are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and even for the government servants I made it as a GH and RH. You can plan your holidays too. Next we will move toward the expenditure. So this is the expenditure looks like for the month. You can list out what all things you want to buy this year and how much you want to save in this month, this one. And this is the planner. Actually I'm inspired by Flourish Planner. If you see, I have subscribed her channel, so she made a very nice planner. So I tried to make a kind of a planner like her. I don't think so she will mind if I'm using her idea over here, but it is a bit different from her. So this will be the planner which will be focusing on my career growth. So this is like a timetable planner which I'm using it. So this is the box where this month will be my focus, what will be the goals for this month, work, personal, health or financial. And then this will be the boxes which will be given where you can write it down how your month spread looks like. What the work to-do list is very important, and the personal to-do list is very important. And then I have made that doodle of the new idea. Whatever you are working on, you can doodle it out. So the next page of this months look like weekly goals. So you can divide it as per the weeks. Actually I'm inspired by Saloni Srivastava planner, so I took an idea from her planner and I made it like this. The weekly plans you can identify, to-do list you can write down, then you can put a to-do list in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like this for a week. So there are some 3 or 4 sheets will be there as per the requirement of the month. And next is very important is the monthly review. So once you are ending with the month, you should have a, first of all, the mom is the memories of this month. Definitely you should have a definite memory of this month, which will be looking very nice to you. And then we have a monthly review I have made on this doodle. If you see these doodles, I'll enlarge it. So this is the career doodle which I made it like a badge. Okay, the success is written. Next is the achievement which you did in food, like your plan, what you were making it, are you able to complete it or not. Next is books or journal, whatever you have read, whatever journaling you have done, so you can that. Next is self-care, very important for the females also and for the males also, that they should look good, so they have to work on their self-care. Saving is an important part, and then plan for the next month, so that whatever you are left out with this month, you could not able to make it, because every day or every month should is not always motivated. You too feel demotivated, and then you are ending up procrastinating your plans. So definitely for next month also, you can keep this plan so that you can change your behavior and change your plans or execute, so that you can change your intervention, how you can execute your plan. So next is the February month. I am not going to show this part, but you can see it over here. So this is February, is the flower month, which I like it. Everybody loves the Valentine time, so I made the theme also in that manner. So this is the planner's first page, and this is how the February month will look like. Love is unconditional, then why you are behind it, express it if you can. So like these things you will be getting in my planner. So this is all about my planner. I hope you get some idea. If I could able to provide you the PDF of it, I will. Otherwise you will be getting in the description box. With this I will end my video. So keep watching my videos, and I will be bringing more content on the nursing part, so that you can prepare your NORCET examination also, the theory exams which you are preparing as being a BSc nursing or as MSc nursing, and what are the career opportunity would you like to have it. I would be putting it in my videos or vlogs. So please give a like to this video and spread this into your own community. So wish you all happy new year for next session, and bye bye 2021, and have a blast on your 2022, and make some resolutions which you can able to follow it, and no problem if you are not able to be following it, keep it for 2023. So at least make 1 or 2 goals, and bye bye guys, take care.